Despite being decades old, the Helios 44 lenses are not forgotten. Photographers adore this lens. The 44M-4 has a kind of special ability, a defect in lens design responsible for what is commonly known as whirly bokeh, and this is one of the reasons enthusiast photographers are falling in love with it. Another reason is its very cheap price tag and the possibility to attach this lens to all the mirrorless cameras that are in the market. The Helios 44M-4 is one of many variations in the Helios 44 line of lenses. These were produced in the Soviet Union from 1958 to 1992 on a massive scale. Because of the large numbers produced, these lenses are very affordable today and can be found in very good conditions. The internal design is based on the Zeiss Biotar 58mm f2 lens. The version I have here is the Helios 44M4. The M stands for the type of mount. In this case, the M stands for M42, 42mm screw mounting that was used on 35mm cameras from the 1947. Originally, the Helios 44M4 was coupled with Russian Zenit cameras that used this mount. The 44M4 focal length is 58mm. It's interesting and a bit unusual. When mounted on a full-frame sensor, it's good for portraits, nature and street. If mounted on an APS-C, the 1.5 crop factor will turn it into an 86mm lens, good for portrait and telephoto. The bokeh is one of his strong suits. With open f2, you can get extremely shallow depth of field, allowing to have pronounced subjects against highly blurred backgrounds.